So now let's see how we can work around with the trace contour effect inside a Photopea. So in order to apply the trace contour effect, first of all, I'm going to go around onto filter, onto stylize, and then trace contour is in effect right here. So let's just go around onto filter, stylize, and trace contour. So once you do that, you can see that this is the effect that I have right here. I can go ahead and change around the outline right here, which may be up or down right here. If I were to press OK, then this is what is applied right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z, my background is selected, and now I'm going to go around over here onto stylize, and now I'm going to select wind. Once I go around onto wind, you can see that this is what you have. You can be from the right or from the left right here. You can have it as a blast or a straggler right here, just like this, and that is how you can go ahead and add in a wind, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the trace contour and wind effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.